Hello, so welcome to this channel. So we're looking at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is high, and from this particular time, we've drawn a lot of candlestick pattern telling you that Bitcoin is bullish again after retracing a support level of 60, 61, 64, and now you move up to and it touches 71. And we have still have a room projection that Bitcoin might get to 73 before we can see if there will be alpha accretion. Now, before we get into that, let's go to the higher time frame. That's a lower time frame channel. Let's go into the high time frame and see the analysis. Let's look at weekly charts and see how this market is a very close to market because from the weekly, before I get into that place, let's now let's look at this. We're now on the weekly chart frame. You can see the weekly chart, and from the weekly chart, we see that the bull market is in after several weeks of bullish, and the market hits the highest point of that 73.75. That was this year, some few weeks ago. Okay, like 2 weeks ago. Now, if you look at last week, it formed a reversal candlestick, and then the previous weeks also an inverted an armor. Okay, this is an armor, and those are reversal candles saying the book though there should be a bullish retracement correction of the market even up to 51, but the market had just a retracement and touched the EMA. It has touched the EMA at around 59,000, and that's where the market is very um, having a strong resistance point. Okay, but there's another resistance point at 64,016, that's 6,016, and we can see that the price had a support there because of the inverted armor, and there's a confirmation. It might be a bullish movement. We can see the bullish movement is coming in because of this weak candlestick. It's still bullish, and now we can see that's why there's a projection that the market can get up to 80,000. But let's look at how it's sparked on the price action level on one daily time frame. Okay, a daily time frame. Let's go to a daily time frame. Just look at it from the daily time frame. You can see that there's a smooth price action. The price is moving towards the resistance point. It got hit by the resistance that it formed. Now, all this are psychological level on the chart. It's a psychological level on the chart for the market, and we can see that this is a perfect constellation patterns, but we see the price getting at ease into 73, 73, 73. Okay, so we can see the price moving towards that. Currently, the price is at 70,944. Okay, so the price is moving. Okay, now we have this, and if you look at, let me explain the price action. A three candlestick up on this daily time frame because there's this resistance point and there's a support line at this particular level. So the market is pushing, and you can see the price getting up to this particular price region of 738. And that's a minute target. So let's see how we scalp the market for those who are like scalping the market. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame and see entries because picking entries from this is very low because we're working with the bull. Okay, we're working with the pressure of the market for those who are trading. Now we see we already said we have the head and shoulder pattern. After there's a strong bearish movement. So strong bearish movement. Let me draw the chart for you on the trend line level. A strong bearish movement and the price is having this particular level. Okay, there's a cut, and after the price hits the resistance level at this particular region, the price is descending. Then it made it and shoulder. Now there's a trend line break. That's what we are talking about. Moving average cross. There's a moving average cross on the lower time frame, and this is it. So bullish entry for those who are ready to buy. Okay, but bullish entry and it's buying. Okay, at the current price and targeting 74. Okay, and look at this price level. very important on 1 hour time frame. Okay, check the 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's a 1 hour time frame. It's very, very meticulous, but the price is very it's moving on a steady region. Okay, so see, so we are seeing this perfect trend line. Now, this trend line can also have its own. This is when the market is priced. It's closed right now. The market is closed right now. Market is high. So we are waiting, and this is a descending distance. So the market can continue the bullish movement down or descend. So we watch out also for a support level. Where the prices, those are region levels. They're very, very particular about this level. If you look at this, when the price trend back into this and break it downward, we are looking at our levels. Okay, so you see the levels on this region. So those who are picking trades, watch out for this level. Okay, trade at this particular level. Now see, this is the close of it now. So bullish market still on it, but we are looking at levels, still waiting for level. If you see a trend above 71, you put your target at 73. If you see a price below 70, you can drive down the market down to 69, right down the market down to 66. So we're watching the chart. We move towards gold. Gold is very interesting. So we look at gold. Okay, there's other fundamental news looking at what is happening on the global financial market. We have the fundamentals. Look at the fundamentals. China manufacture a sugar high. Okay, this is what is being reported by the Chinese Liberty Stream coming. Okay, and now we that's a big news that can affect this. Okay, so we have environmental crime bulletin from 2004. Looking at trend on all this. Okay, so watching out for the market. The market is still bullish on gold. Um, on gold, we can look at gold. Okay, let's look at gold. So we're going to be looking at the gold chart. I don't know whether it will show up, or we're going to look at the gold chart, and at the same time give you analysis on the gold chart. We're still on this particular chart of this. But look at the gold chart. I don't know. Okay, so there's a pattern that is formed. The candlestick pattern is always powerful, especially on gold. So there's a text of the trend line, and there was a rejection at this particular level. The market cannot just. So I will still have a bullish and a tangle on that particular price level. When you look at it here. So there's other prediction that the market can still go up higher. Okay, but let's see it from lower time frame. So this is another video for you. So I'm going to do video for you. Thank you very much. So I'll still prepare. See you soon on